In this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone's location by phone number on Google Maps. So this should be a quick and easy process video to find, add or hide your Google contacts on the map. First, find a Google contact on your Android phone or tablet. Open the Google Maps app, sign in to your Google account, search for a contact's name or address. Matching contacts will appear in the suggestions. To see your contact on the map, choose a name or address, and to see your contact's detail, tap on the bottom of the screen. You can add an address to Google Contacts on your Android phone or tablet. Open the Google Maps app, search for an address, tap label, and enter the name and address of someone in your Google Contacts. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.